It happens more often than you think. Important files suddenly gone. A system crash wipes out office documents right before the deadline. A photographer loses client images due to a corrupted memory card. Or years of travel photos and personal memories vanish with one accidental delete. Data loss isn't just inconvenient, it can mean financial setbacks, missed opportunities, and real stress. From professional projects to personal moments, everything we create and store digitally is vulnerable to unexpected failures, errors, and device issues. But the good news? Even permanently deleted files and folders can often be recovered if you act fast and use the right tools. And what if you don't even have to spend any money to get back your files? Let me introduce this free data recovery software from 4DDig, which is offering 2 GB of absolutely free data recovery. And that's a really good news because for a usual user, 2 GB is enough to get back important files, and for professionals, they can actually check the software before pay the full version for recovering more files in the future. Now, this software supports 2000 plus file types and various storage devices. 4DD data recovery software is not only just a recovery software, but it can also repair your files which are corrupted or damaged. To download this free data recovery software, simply click here and install it into your PC or Mac. I have dropped the link in the description of this video. Remember to share on social media and spread the news. Before I give you a live demo how to recover data, let's quickly talk about common scenarios for data loss and some key features of this software. First of all, you can recover data even if it's deleted from the recycle bin, and if you accidentally formatted your external drives, don't worry, this software can get back your files. If you cannot access an entire drive in your computer or a partition is gone, the file system is corrupted, this software 4DDig data recovery can get back your important documents. It doesn't matter where the file was originally in, even if it's in external drives or maybe in external devices, you can get back your important media or document files. And as I mentioned before, 2000 plus file types are supported. Let's have a quick look at the different file types. So this is the system requirement and the supported file types are here. You can pause and check. You can also go through different media file formats that are supported by the software. After installing, this is the user interface of 4DDig by Tenorshare. At the left, you get your data recovery location, which can be hard drive, SD card, and there is another dedicated option for camera recovery, which is great. Your hard drive partitions are also located here with the external drive option, and common locations like recycle bin, select folder, which can save lots of time if you remember where the file was in. You can also select Windows backup, desktop, and disk image, which is a new feature in the software. Specialized data recovery include cloud drive, crashed PC, NAS data recovery, and utility tools include file repair and toolbox containing different other tools. Now, this is the external drive that I want to use for the data recovery, and these are the files in the external drive, which is basically a pen drive which has some photos, videos, and audio files. I will be deleting all of these files, so let's get started with the demo. I will select all of them and delete. Then of course I will delete them from the recycle bin, so let's do that. Now there is no way you can get back these files, these are gone permanently from the computer. First of all, select what type of file you want to recover. Selecting the file type can save time in scanning, so I want to first go with photo. So the scanning has started, there is a tutorial, so let's skip those. AI is implemented into 4DDig by Tenorshare, Now, if you enable this AI Cloud Enhanced Recovery mode, your file data and other information will be uploaded into the server, and after successful recovery, the file will be returned to you. So that's a cloud-based system which you can use. Now, switching the view will help you see a preview of your photos so that you can stop or pause the scanning and get back your files before waiting for all the files to be recovered. Remember that not only just the recently deleted photos, it will also find other photos that were deleted maybe months or years ago. So let's wait for a few more minutes, or maybe pause and recover the file I am looking for. I can click on preview to see the photo in full screen, and as you can see, the quality, the details of the image is just like the original. There is no compression or quality loss. I can select multiple files and click on recover, select the location on my computer and click save now. So let's check the recovered files, and there you go, the full images are recovered with a single click. Since these photos were just deleted, they are very easy to find. So if it happens to you that you lose data, stop using your device or cards or your camera and do the process on the 4DX software. It will save lots of time and the success rate will be very, very high. Now, the scan data is also saved, so next time you want to scan the device, you can start from there. Now I want to scan for all the files in the pen drive and see what happens. And as you can see, all type of data is being recovered, including videos, audio files, documents. So let's give it some time. More than 17 gigabytes of files have been found. Among all these files, finding the one that you want to recover can be a little bit challenging. I will share with you some tips so that you can navigate and find the ones you are looking for. If the path is lost, go by type, and let's say I want to recover some audio file, then I can do this. The more you remember about the file and the more you can specify, you can actually get it faster. For example, this is a video that was on the pen drive that I have found, and the quality is intact. I can recover it right away into my computer. I can also upload to my cloud drive. There are filters that you can apply to save time, like you can select lost files only so that the existing files will not show in the browser. You can also select file type and modify time, maybe file size if you remember, and any file tag. For example, if you are using a camera, then the camera tag or maybe your smartphone make can help you find the specific file you are looking for. These are the photos from my OnePlus phone which were shot back in 2018, and 8 years old files are found by the software. So 4DX data recovery software is a very powerful tool, and you are getting 2 GB free. That's great. If you want to go with the pro version, it starts at $37 for 1 month, $60 for 1 year license, and for $80 you are getting the lifetime license, which is the best option, I think. That's all for today, guys. I hope that this video was useful. Check the description for the link to this software.